we get color coming up, I'm gonna switch spots with you and go around to that side. I'll talk to you.
Kick it a little bit, Donnie. Just a little.
Make sure you drop it. That's it. Got him now, right there.
Color yet?
Yeah, he's right over here. He's coming on top right there.
Yeah,
Turn to the
nice.
left just a little bit.
No fish with him?
I don't think so. Check. You see anything with him?
No.
Good John, if you want, we can throw one out.
Well, let's get
Let's
this.
get this one in the boat.
No, well, you want them in the water.
Yeah.
But do you see anything,
You'll
Travis?
see one. No. You're good. I just bring them nice and easy. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and switch with you. Alright, Johnny, go that way a little bit. Always stay ahead of them.
Kick it up a little bit, Donnie. Just a little bit. And turn to the left a little bit.
That's good. Alright, that's good.
You're good, you're good.
Alright, now go down.
Just keep an eye on him, Donnie. Keep him like right there.
Yeah, real. Every time you get down, real. Real.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, nice and easy.
There you go.
And now, whenever you get closer, walk backwards towards John.
Get out of your way.
I hit him.
Come on out, Travis.
Fish now.
Don't mess this up, Trav.
Good, Michael? Yeah. Pump, pull up, wheel down. Go forward a little bit.
Really, dude? You hit the blue one, Travis.
God damn it. Can't let that guy.
Slow it down a little bit, Don. What's this guy trying to do?
You can if you want. Turn to the right just a little bit, swing her back in.
Travis, hit him this time, dude.
Hey, I promise I hit him.
Oh, you're taking the camera. You miss it. If you miss him this time, you're taking the camera, dude.
We need a round gap too.
Don't blame the gaff.
Keep it up, buddy.
I know it's a sucky gaff, Travis.
I'll get him. I don't know why I got my hand in that
We got this, motherfucker. We got him. It's a nice fish, Mike.
He's getting tired. Mike or the fish? I don't know. I was going to say which one. Yeah, just get nice and
Doing
easy.
great, Mike.
Come up nice and easy.
Wheel down hard. Pump and reel.
Hey, Johnny, jump in and get a video.
What?
I don't know how I cut myself.
That's just God paying you back for missing a fish.
For real.
You probably cut yourself when you missed the fish, Travis.
I think you saved your valley hill. He got the real shit in this picture.
He's resting right now is the problem. He's just resting. He's not putting any effort into this.
He's just turning that head. Give it a slightest get more gear, Johnny, and just turn that way slightest bit, not too hard. Yeah. Turn a little bit. Alright, neutral.
Nail this fucker this time,
Or just
Trav.
I'll get him. As long as he gets stuck, I'll just bear hug him.
He's still pulling.
You could just fight harder than what I got in front of those.
He's putting up a fight for sure.
There you go. You look good.
Another little trick too, you can always walk backwards a little bit.
Keep that line tight.
You gotta keep
We're
it
good.
smooth. If he wants to run, just let him run.
Here you go. Here you go. Get him up here. Here.
This way, buddy. Nice fish we got hit. I give it a
He's about wore out. He's about wore out. Don't reel it up past that swivel though, Mike, okay?
Yes, sir.
Stop when you get to that swivel. He's trying to.
nice and easy. Come down.
He don't. Yep. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. He's about wore out.
He's
Right
good.
a little bit. Right a little bit.
I'm right.
All right.
Coming under the boat. Coming under the boat.
Now he's wanting to go down. Get a little juice. Get a little juice. Keep him behind us. Yeah. A little bit. I just want to make sure we keep him behind us.
Yeah, if he goes under the boat, I'll swing around.
You got it, Mike.
Just watch that line. Don't let it touch the boat.
I burnt the shit out of my fingers, my thumb, Travis.
Don't pull up hard.
I put my thumb on it when it was first going out. I burnt that.
Done?
I burnt that bitch.
Jump up.
No.
Come on, I can't. Come on, Donnie.
Come on, Donnie. I'm going to drive.
I got it.
Who's filming? Who's filming?
Fucking forearms out. God dang.
He comes up when Donnie grabs the rod, now it's gonna come out the boat. There you go. Oh, he's coming towards us. Yeah, coming towards us. Turn that way, hard.
Hey.
Give it a little gas, Donnie. Good.
Nail that bitch, Travis.
Oh, nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Don't get past that.
I can't.
Right there. Good. Got him. Got him. Good enough. Nice.
Go ahead and open that box.
Open that box here. Don't step on the box, Donnie. Get off the box. Get off the box. Get off the box. Nice fish, man. Nice fish, guys. Nice fish.